Start and say how. Start.
But before you start recording, কথা to আছে অলপ national security importance. So, প্রথম হিন্দি ইংরেজিতে কৈ দিও নেকি? তার পিছত অসমীয়াত না মিলাই কৈ দিও কি কৰা যায়?
স্যার ইংলিশ হিন্দি তো কৈ দিব বেলেগকে ইংলিশ হিন্দি
বেলেগকে কৰা ভাল। হ্যাঁ অসমীয়া চ্যানেলৰ কাৰণে তো অসমীয়াই ৰাখা ভাল। প্ৰথম অসমীয়া কৈ দিও। এটা আপনার সবক নমস্কার অসম পুলিশ গুৱাহাটী পুলিশৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমাৰ এটা ভাল সাকসেস হৈছে প্ৰথমবাৰ অসমত বহুত দিনৰ পৰা আমি শুনি আছিলো যে মাওইষ্টে ইয়াত আহিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰি আছে আৰু মাওইষ্টৰ কথা বহুতবাৰ ওলাইছে বাট ফৰ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাইম এতিয়া অসমত মাওইষ্ট সেন্ট্রাল কমিটিৰ মানুহ ধৰা হৈছে a member of the central committee ইটো আপুনি সবে জানে that central committee মাওইষ্টৰ মাৰ্জাৰৰ পিছত নতুন central committee হৈছিলে so somebody who guides the Maoist movement which is a terrorist movement in the country মানে central committee member ideologue তেনেকুৱা মানুহ ইয়াত পোৱা গৈছে আমি ইনফরমেশন পাইছিলো অলমোস্ট ডিসেম্বর এন্ডত ফ্রম সেন্ট্রাল এজেন্সি যে এনেকুৱা মানুহ অসমৰ বৰ্ডাৰিং এৰিয়াত আছে তেতিয়া পৰা আমি কাম কৰি আছিলো অসমৰ বৰ্ডাৰিং এৰিয়া কোলেটো বহুত ডিস্ট্রিক্ট পৰি যায় বহুত বেলেগ বেলেগ ৰিজন পৰি যায় তাৰ পিছত we had 2 or 3 major operations যিটো আমি মিস কৰিলো but on the 6th at about 5 p.m. in Thaligram area of Nagadong, Patimara Tea Garden under Udarwan PS of Kachar district. We have been able to nab and arrest Kanchanda, who is a central committee member, come ideologue, come strategist of CPI Maoist. Kanchanda boli koy tekhetok তেখেতৰ অসল নাম আছে অৰুণ কুমাৰ ভট্টাচাৰ্য এলিয়াস জ্যোতিষ এলিয়াস কবির এলিয়াস কনক এলিয়াস কঞ্চন্দা so in CPI Maoist circles he is known as Kanchanda. He originally belongs to Howrah in West Bengal কিন্তু তেখেতে বহুত বছৰৰ পৰা he is 72 years old he has been attached to the Maoist movement and he is a central committee member. এতিয়া আপুনি বিলাকে ভাবিব যে তেখেত ইয়াত অসমত কি কৰি আছে so he had been tasked to set up a complete new system of Maoism in Assam CPI Maoistor state level team set up কৰি তেওঁ বিলাকে বিচাৰিছিলে যে এটা ৰেড কৰিডৰ হ'ব লাগে যেটো আপুনি আগতে শুনিছে কথা ৰেড কৰিডৰ from the neighboring country jito apni bujhi paye till the Maoist areas in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, parts of Odisha jito already amar tat there is an existing Maoist insurgency. Our team led by Mr. Numal Mahato, NDCP crime তেখেত তাত অপাৰেট কৰি আছিল কেদিন আগৰ পৰা আমাৰ বাকি মানুহ আছিল they were wrecking the area লগত আছিল ইন্সপেক্টৰ সঞ্জয় বৰগোহাঁই और इंस्पेक्टर ज्योतिर्मय दत्ता yesterday they were able to trace the person और গধূলি তেখেতক ধৰিলে from 16 number line Patimara Tea Garden as I যেনেকে মই আগতে কৈছো PS Udarwan Kachar district তেখেতৰ হাতত বহুত ইনক্ৰিমিনেটিং এটা ল্যাপটপ যেটো তেখেত বেলেগ জায়গাত লুকাই থৈছিলে ইটো অপাৰেশন কৰি তেখেতক কোৱেশ্চনিং কৰাৰ পিছত ল্যাপটপটো পোৱা হ'ল लैपटॉप और लगत तेखेतर केटामान और डिवाइस मोबाइल और बहुत खिनी लिटरेचर माओइस्ट लिटरेचर पोआ होय सो एज आई सेड तेखेतर नंबर 1 टास्क आसिले स्टेट लेवल टीम सेटअप करा स्टेट लेवल कमिटी तार पिছত टू सेट अप अ रेड कॉरिडोर engage youth bring them into the Maoist fold Maoist বা Naxalite বনাবলে মানুহ indoctrinate और encourage करे बोले তেখেতক পার্টি কংগ্রেস বনাবলে করি বলে they have a meeting called a party congress অসমত কৰিবলৈ কোৱা হৈছিলে and then finally to arrange weapons and terror financing তেখেতৰ হাতত 3,60,000 টকাই পোৱা গৈছে so it is a very big success and central agencies already our touchot ase there are at least how many 20 cases 200 sorry there are about 200 cases against Kanchan Da in different parts of the country aru tekhetor namot jiman reward ase baki state government or eti ami collect kori asu kintu gom paisu rewards on his name are about rupees 3 crores so 200 cases and 3 crores of rewards for Assam police it is a big catch for national security it is a big catch national security amar dekhor rakhya karne bahut dangor kotha ek tekhetok jetia amar central agencies sub expert bilak jitu maoism or naxalism or expert ase tyo bilake jetia kadi to kadi milabo jetia chain to milabo link milabo bahut khini kotha poa hobo so thank you so much for being here eta bhal khabar karne apna sabak matilo I am very proud and our senior most functionary apni jane je amar honorable CM sir he monitors everything himself dekhete he has been in the knowledge of things amar DGP the operation was supervised by special DGP law and order so Guwahati police has managed to pull off a big one and that is all thank you
sir English Hindi
sir Hindi में बता
हिंदी अंग्रेजी मिक्स या सिर्फ हिंदी
मिक्स
मिक्स कर दो
हाँ
नेशनल वाले कितने
है सर
हैं
है
काफी है एक्चुअली ये वहां के लिए एट अ नेशनल लेवल दिस इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर कमिंग एंड जॉइनिंग अस टुडे फॉर दिस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस we have an important catch to announce to you today. As you are aware, there has been a lot of talk about Maoists trying to establish themselves in the northeast, particularly using Assam as a gateway. There has been talk about Maoism coming to this part of the country. We have had evidences before. We have had lower level functionaries operating here who have been caught. But for the first time, we have had a very big catch. About at the end of December, we got to know that from a central agency that one of the central committee members is available has infiltrated and is available in one of the bordering districts of Assam. That is one of the border districts which borders other states. So for the last 2+ months, we have been running operations. We missed him 2 or 3 times. We finally got him yesterday. So yesterday evening we got information that in Thaligram area of Nagadong circle in Patimara Tea Garden under Udarband PS of district Kachar there is the possibility of a central committee member of the CPI Maoist being present. Our team led by additional DCP crime Mr. Numal Mahato along with Inspector Sanjay Borgohain and Inspector Jyotirmoy Datta and commandos as well as other members who were some of whom were already camping in Kachar area looking for the person were able to hone on to him. When they entered line number 16 of Patimara Tea Garden, they saw an old man around 70 years old trying to hide and get away. When he was caught, he confessed to being Kanchan Da, a central committee member of the CPI Maoist. For CPI Maoist, the central committee is the guiding force, the ideological force that runs the entire organization. It, as you are aware, is a terrorist organization which is banned under UAPA. So let me also tell you his entire aliases. His name is Arun Kumar Bhattacharjee, alias Jyotish, alias Kabir, alias Kanak, alias Kanchanda, son of late Gopal Krishna Bhattacharjee. He is a resident of Howrah in West Bengal originally. He is 72 years old, but he has been with the Maoist terrorist organization and has been working with them for a long time. He has been sent here to set up the state level team, supervise it, and set up a red corridor. The main thing for them is to set up a red corridor from the neighboring country till the areas that still have some Naxal influence in India, in the hinterland, which includes, of course, you are aware, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra, Odisha. Some areas, though, under the current government, Naxalism has been controlled and decimated to a very large extent. So, this gentleman, whatever he may be, an old man, but a very strong ideologue and somebody who was tasked to spread this malaise, this menace in the northeast, starting with Assam. So catching him is a big victory for the forces fighting for the sovereignty and national security of this country. As you are aware, our Honorable Chief Minister monitors law and order and our anti-insurgency, anti-terrorism as well as anti-drugs campaign very closely. He is aware of this big success. Our DGP has been in the loop all through, and Special DG Law and Order, Mr. GP Singh, has been guiding the operation. Guwahati Police, my Joint Commissioner, and I are thankful to all of you for coming here. I would also like to add that we have made one more arrest of a state level member called Akash Oran, alias Rahul, alias Kajal. He is a member of the Assam State Organizing Committee of CPI Maoist and a close associate of Kanchanda. He was arrested along with him. They had hidden their laptop and other incriminating evidence in a jungle area little far away from where they were caught. That evidence has also been collected. There is a laptop, there are other devices, there are mobiles, and there is a lot of Maoist literature. So we are working on it. This will be a long interrogation along with central agencies. There are at least 200 cases against this person, Kanchanda, the Central Committee member of the CPI Maoist, across the nation. We have been collating the awards that various state governments have put out for him. They total to almost apparently rupees 3 crores. So parts of the team will get these awards. And I would just like to add that he was also in possession of rupees 3,60,000. So now the question of what all was he tasked to do? Create a red corridor, arrange a party congress in Assam, set up a core committee for Assam, arrange weapons for terror financing, and then start extortion, which is the normal Naxal methodology of gaining money, and then influence young people to join this terrorist organization. Would you like the case number and the sections that the case has been taken up? It is case number 2/22 of Crime Branch Guwahati under sections 120, 120B, 121, 121A, 122, 384 and 302 IPC, read with sections 16, 17, 18, 18B, 19, 20 of the UAP Act. So this is the information that we had to share with you today. Thank you for being with us. It has been a great success for the Assam Police, and it is a great success for the national security grid. I would also like to add that we are already in touch with NIA. Given the national ramifications and possible international ramifications of this case, we would be in touch. We would be wanting to hand over the case for its larger perspective to the NIA, we are taking it up with the government and with the NIA. NIA officers are already en route to Guwahati for the same. Thank you. One by one. We would first like NIA to take over the case. Of course, all other central agencies would also want to talk to this person. We will facilitate that. It is a question of national security. So anybody who has domain knowledge, we have knowledge of what happened in Assam. They have knowledge of what happened in other parts of the country. So they will naturally want to interrogate him and take them up in their cases. As I said, there are more than 200 cases against him in the entire nation. So every police force where there are cases against him would want to arrest him in those cases.
सर कोई फॉरेन फंडिंग का कोई इंफॉर्मेशन मिला है और ये जो रेड कॉरिडोर बोल रहे हैं इसका रूट क्या कोई डिटेल आपको पता चला है?
अभी हमको इंटरोगेशन करने दें, ये ऑपरेशन डिटेल्स हैं. फंडिंग का जब पूरे लैपटॉप की फॉरेंसिक जांच होगी तो ये सब मिलेगा. रेड कॉरिडोर का रास्ता अगर ये जो प्लान कर रहे थे वो वहीं से निकलेगा. वी हैव कॉट हिम यस्टरडे इवनिंग. वी हैव गिवन यू द प्रिलिमिनरी इन्फॉर्मेशन. जैसे जैसे ऑपरेशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन जो शेयर करने लायक होगी और विच अदर एजेंसी डोंट नीड टू एक्ट इमीडिएटली, हम आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं.
He seems to be on and off police custody earlier also.
Not in Assam. So as I said, we are aware of what has been his role in Assam and what he was doing in Assam. Now it is for central agencies and other state governments to take up the cases accordingly.
How credible is your sections on it that he don't come out again? Because I think he was arrested.
You let us do our investigation. The credibility of our sections will be seen the way the case is investigated. So we are not discussing the charge sheet or the investigation yet. We are sharing the basic information with you. So let us proceed further from there. You wanted to know something.
Sir, has there any been MCC cadre or some amount of MCC network been established already in Assam?
We have got some other names of certain people from other states who have visited here in the preliminary investigation. We have got a few names which I am not going to share with you right now because they are operational. We are going to be looking for those people. We are going to be finding them also if they are in Assam or passing on the information to the other agencies if they are in other states.
But any local people have been inducted to MCC?
This is not MCC. MCC merged and became the CPI Maoist many years ago. So we have some names, we are working on it. But those would not be correct for me to share with you right now because that would hamper the investigation. You wanted to ask something behind
What is the full name, sir?
Akash Uran, alias Rahul, alias Kajal. He is a member of the Assam State Organizing Committee. Jitu Yotor Etya Aram hoise. Let me add here, more add kori bole bisaisu, first in English then in Assamese. This was in nascent stage. This was their plan and this is what they wanted to do. So it has been nipped in the bud. ইহতি ডাঙৰ প্ল্যান বনাই আহিছে কিন্তু এ প্ল্যান টু ইমপ্লিমেন্ট হোৱাৰ আগতে ধৰা পৰিলে. সো ইটো কাৰণে আমাৰ দেশৰ কাৰণে ভাল হৈছে. It is a big victory for the national security grid because they were not able to implement the plan. It has been nipped in the bud. বেলেগ বেলেগ স্টেটত বেলেগ বেলেগ অ্যাওয়ার্ড আছে. 300 crore নহয় ভাই, 3 crore. Itu etia ami collect kori asu information. This is the preliminary information which we have got from central agencies. There must be awards in different states on different cases, so that we will be collating. We have brought you this information of an arrest that happened in Kachar within 12 hours of the arrest of a pickup. So the case has just been taken. Now we will investigate and as things happen we will share it with you further. Akash Uran is from in Silchar side only, from Kalanki state. Kalanki state. Akash Uran alias Rahul, Tekhetok Kajal Namor, his name used by the cadres is Kajal. That we are still, he is giving different accounts. We are slowly interrogating him. We will get to know. I have already answered that question.
आसाम के कोई उग्रवादी संगठन क्या उनको हेल्प
नहीं, अभी तक जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा कि अभी ये पकड़े गए हैं, सिलचर से यहाँ लाए गए हैं। प्रिलिमिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन और इंटेरोगेशन में जितना पता चला है वो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया। जो आदमी इतने साल से सीपीआई माओइस्ट 2004 में ये जब मर्जर हुआ तो ये एमसीसी के स्पेशल कमेटी मेंबर था और उसके बाद से ये सीपीआई माओइस्ट का सेंट्रल कमेटी मेंबर है। तो इस आदमी के पास जितनी इंफॉर्मेशन है और ये जो उसके बाद कर रहा था उसको निकालेंगे तो कहां इनके लिंकेजेस हैं सब निकलेंगे।
Sir, you guys found literature in his capacity. Sir, you guys found literature with the guys you arrested.
Yeah, I said.
Has they been successfully indoctrinating any students or any youth?
As I said, my friend, which I just explained, it has not even been 12 hours. We already have linkages. We already have linkages, some which we found. As we investigate and we interrogate every level, naturally more will emerge. Whatever emerges, we will share.
Sir, আপোনালোকৰ লিখিত ভূমিকা সংগঠনৰ সৈতে কিবা কানেকশ্যন আছে নেকি? কিবা সহায় কৰিছিল নেকি আপোনাক?
মই এতিয়াইতো উত্তৰ দিছিলো, আকৌ দি দিওঁ যে 12 ঘণ্টা হোৱা নাই তেখেতক আমি ধৰিছো। যিমান প্ৰিলিমিনাৰী ইনফৰমেশ্যন আছে আমি আপোনাক দিলো। এতিয়া যেনেকে যি কৰি ওলাব, যি লিংক ওলাব, গোটে যেতিয়া মোবাইলৰ ফৰেনচিক এনালিচিছ হ'ব, ল্যাপটপৰ ফৰেনচিক এনালিচিছ হ'ব, তেখেতৰ ইণ্টাৰোগেশ্যন হ'ব, ডোমেইন নলেজৰ এক্সপাৰ্টবিলাক চেণ্ট্ৰেল এজেঞ্চিৰ পৰা আহিব। আমিতো যিটো অসমৰ এক্টিভিটি আছে আমি জানো, বাট গোটেই ইণ্ডিয়াত যিটো এক্টিভিটি আছে দেৰ আৰ এক্সপাৰ্ট, নেশ্যনেল চিকিউৰিটি এক্সপাৰ্টছ অল অভাৰ দ্য কাণ্ট্ৰি। তেওঁবিলাক আহি ইণ্টাৰোগেট কৰিব, তেতিয়া বেলেগ বেলেগ কাৰি ওলাব। চ' হু অল ইজ কানেক্টেড টু দেম উই উইল ফাইণ্ড আউট।
Have you produced him in the court? Have you produced him in
Not yet. We are just taking, as we said, we've just taken the case, then we'll produce him in court. We will be sharing a video and a photograph of him. इतने कोई आसू भाई उन्हीं लो आया अमी फोटो इंग्लिश और हम यार दूटा कोई दियो। We will share a photograph and a small video of his arrest in a little while on the groups of which all of you are members. অলপ দেৰ পিছত আমি ফটোগ্ৰাফ আৰু ভিডিঅ' দুটাই শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিম। আপুনি সবে ফুটেজটো পাই যাব। আপুনি সবে আমাৰ CPRO সাহেবৰ গ্ৰুপৰ মেম্বাৰ আছে, তাত সবক এই ফুটেজটো দিয়া হ'ব। So everybody can get the footage, there's no problem. Thank you very much. Now we can all have a cup of